What happens if something goes wrong inside a coroutine? For example, if API call fails, database throws error, unexpected crash, will your app crash or handle it safely? Kotlin provides structured ways to handle exceptions in coroutines. Let's talk about exception handling. Try catch in coroutine. You can use a try catch inside coroutines just like normal code. For example, launch try val data equal fetch your data, then print your data, and catch exception and print error and e.message. The best for handling errors locally. Important rule. Try catch only works for suspending code inside the coroutine. For example, launch, try, and delay for this, throw an exception, something went wrong, and catch exception, then print code. It works because exception happens inside coroutine. Launch with async. Launch exceptions are thrown immediately. Can crash the app if not handled. Async exceptions are stored, thrown only when calling await. For example, val deferred equal async throw exception error. Defer.await will exception happens here. Coroutine exception handler used to catch uncaught exceptions globally. For example, val handler equal coroutine exception handler and exception print code exception. Val scope equal coroutine scope dispatcher.main plus handler. Then scope.launch throw exception, it will crash. Acts like a global error handler. When to use handler? Use coroutine exception handler when handling top-level coroutine errors, logging crashes, preventing app crash. Doesn't work with async unless await is called. The best practice: use try catch for local handling, use handler for global errors, always handle exceptions in await, structure coroutines properly, and avoid ignoring exceptions, mixing launch or async incorrectly. Exception handling in coroutines is structured and predictable. It helps you to prevent crashes, handle failures gracefully, build stable apps, debug issues. Mastering this is a production ready. Thanks for watching and see you next video.